Hello, today I will show you top 15 things to do in Jena, Germany. So let's start with the number 1, Napoleonstein. Number 2, Optical Museum Jena. Number 3, JenTower. Number 4, Stadtmuseum and Kunstsammlung. Number 5, Stadtkirche St. Michael. Number 6, Zeiss Planetarium Jena. Number 7, Botanischer Garten. Number 8, Fuchsturm. Number 9, Schiller's Garten House. Number 10, Immaginata. Number 11, Philetisches Museum. Number 12, Scott Glass Museum. Number 13, Johannes Friedhof. Number 14, Romantiker House. And the last one, number 15, Thüringer Rostbratwurst.